We're going to do a video on GBPUSD, that's the British pound versus the US dollar, and or against the dollar, and that's with technical analysis. We've got a blue 200-day moving average here for you. And let's take a quick look at what the pound is doing. This is for today, the November 9th, and again, daily chart. The pound is really right here, right in the midst of the 5-day green moving average, the red 20-day moving average. Essentially, it's just all of it's gone flat, and that's kind of what you would expect. We're in the middle of a little trading range here that's been going on for almost close to 3 weeks now. It's right there in the middle of it at this 1.13, let's call it 1.137-ish, 1.138, and it just seems like they're stalemated right there. Let's take a look at the weekly and see if we can come up with that. We'll go to the hourly and then we'll look at the algorithmically generated entry prices. We can see we bounced off in the past 3 days. We're bouncing off very, very close to the 20-week moving average, which is the downtrend, and it looks like it doesn't have the oomph to get through it yet. But this day today doesn't tell us a whole lot about anything. It's a within day. It's within the boundaries of yesterday's bar or yesterday's week we're looking at now. So nothing really has happened this week from a technical perspective, other than the fact that it has yet to push above the 20-week moving average, which is important. Let's look at the hourly. We can see a kind of a little development here. We've broken down through the 200-hour moving average on an hourly chart. With this is green's 5-day, blue is 200-hour, 5-hour, 200-hour, and 20 is red is 20-hour. And you can see we're beginning to fall back apart here. We violated this low set back in on November 8th. No big deal. It's an hourly low, but it looks like it's going to head down here to about the 1.12 level. That would be my guess. Maybe not tomorrow, but probably by Friday, unless we get some type of a, I don't know that we're going to get a rally back up here just yet. It's not really oversold. It's beginning to become oversold. If we get a rally, I'm expecting that we wouldn't get a rally that exceeded the 1.14, or give or take 1.14, give or take, and then I think that would turn back around and go down again to again the 1.12. So it may not be straight down to 1.12, but I think we're headed there, and I think this has got to be tested right here, this low on the 7th, which is again no big deal. It's an hourly low, but that's the 1.129. So I think we're ultimately in the next 2 or 3 days headed to the 1.12 level somewhere, not aggressively down there, probably right around here, 1.129-ish, right around there looks reasonable to me before we can make any other discernment. Let's go and take a look and see what RBAM research says about it. Got algorithmically generated entry prices out early today for the 10th, which is tomorrow, 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holding periods. GDP versus USD. And we've got buys across the board at 1.132 for 1 day, all the way across the board, 1.1325. So that's kind of consistent with my analysis that it's probably going to come down a little bit, rally up a little bit, and then fall back down. That's just all for entertainment purposes, only my opinion, but that's what I'm thinking. Maybe a hair rally and then the decline, and it's kind of the algo saying we've got buys tomorrow across the board. Again, all for entertainment purposes only. Trade at your own risk. Can't use our entry prices for anything other than entertainment, and including my commentary, and you should always do your own analysis. Let's make sure, yeah, buys across the board. So you can get access to all this every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. You can try for free. No credit card required. Follow the link in the description below and get free access with your email to 190 stocks, to major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, all updated before 7 a.m. Come by 6 p.m. or just after 6 p.m. and get early access to everything but the cryptos, which usually come out at 8 p.m. the night before. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have a ticker symbol for us, you want us to try to do a technical analysis chart on you or for you, please leave it in the comment section below, and if it's a good one, we'll try to do it for you.